All right, we got a dryer here, Samsung. Hear that noise? Tab, putty knife, push in, raise up. Be gentle as you go up. We're gonna open this thing up. Pretty straightforward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Disconnect your door switch. And this front is ready to come off. All right, so take a listen. It's not here in the front. Let's take you back there. All right, so these are cheaper rollers, and the problem, even though they're Samsung, but pretty soft, garbagey. You can hear the noise. What's happening is the rubber is squishing and moving in here. Way better quality. All right, so we are changing these, and you'll hear the difference in it. So if you're having that issue with your dryer, change them out to these. Way better quality, and not that they're bigger per se, but when they're worn down somewhat, you will have a little bit more meat, all right, to keep your drum from rubbing on the top. All right, just telling you how to stop the noise, not showing you how to put the machine together. Watch my other videos on that. All right, we just got done changing the rollers. Take a listen. All right, we haven't turned it on yet, but so far, nice and quiet. Those cheap rollers, they don't last. All right, guys, that's how you do that. Put your screws back, and your dryer's fixed.